How to book a cheap flight on Wakanow. Step 1. Book your flight directly through the app. It gives you a user-friendly interface for reserving your flight, whether it's a one-way or round trip. Select your preferred airline, choose your travel date, and customize your journey to fit what you actually need. Step 2. You will click on flights. Now, right here, if your journey is one way, round trip, or multiple city, you select your preferred destination from probably the Abuja National Airport to London or vice versa. Or if your departure is different, you select the city you are leaving and the city you are going to arrive to. And also you click on the departure and the return date, and you also can click on passenger to select the cabin you want on the airplane, either economy, premium economy, business, or first class, and also your passenger information. Then after doing that, you click on apply. Now step 3, you click on find flights. Now, step 3 is all about using the pay small small option if you don't want to pay all at once. Now, to do that, you click on filter right here and look for the pay small small option. As you can see, we have it right here. So you click on it. So if you find a good deal right here but don't want to pay the full amount immediately, you can use the pay small small option which we already selected. So it lets you split your payment into instrumentals which help you manage your travel budget while still locking in the fare you fund. So now step 4. Step 4 is all about you considering the year-way flight which you consider the cheapest. So after doing that, you click on it. So now if you want to play small small, you can see we have the booking option which is to pay small small, which I've already explained. It lets you pay small small if you don't have all to pay at once. Step 5. Complete your payment and get instant confirmation. Now to do that, you navigate downward and click on continue booking. Once you are ready, you enter your payment details directly in the app and confirm your booking. You will get your flight details and confirmation right there.